Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to start a new topic, which is index notation. So in this video, I'm going to look at what is index notation. So I'm going to define I'm going to describe what index notation is, as well as I'm going to show you how you write numbers in index notation. And I'm also going to talk about other things, but it will just be introduction to index notation. So watch this video up to the end, as I'm going to share with you the things I've mentioned. Let me start by describing what index notation is. So index notation is expressing a number in power form. So in a power form, that's the index notation. So when you write a number in a power form, that means you have written it in index notation. Okay, the next one is the other name for index notation is exponential notation. So if you are asked to write a number in index notation and the other person is asked to write a number in exponential notation, you should bear in mind that you are all asked to write the same thing. So if I write a number in index notation, that means I've written the number in exponential notation. Okay, the other point is the notation 8 and a small 3 on top is called power. So when you write a number in index notation, the number itself is called the power. Okay, so if I write 3 raised to the power 2, that means the number and the power, the exponential, they are called the power. Okay, in 8 raised to the power 3, 8 is a base. In 8 raised to the power 3, 8 is the base and 3 is the exponent. In 8 raised to the power 3, 8 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Okay, 8 raised to the power 3 means that you multiply 8 3 times like this. So 8 raised to the power 3 is telling us that we should multiply 8 3 times by itself. Okay, when exponent is not given, we take it that the exponent is 1. If a number is written in index notation and then the exponent is not written, what you should bear in mind is that number has the exponent of 1. For instance, in index notation, you find that 2 is just written without any exponent. You should bear in mind that 2 is raised to the power 1. So when a number is raised to the power 1, sometimes it is indicated, sometimes it's not indicated. So it would be wise of you to take it that that number, even if it has no exponent, it is raised to the power 1. Unless if the exponent is written. If it's raised to the power 0, then that is another case. Okay, but if it has no exponent, that means you take it that its exponent is 1. Okay, the notation 8 multiplied by 8 by 8 is the expanded notation. So the notation 8 multiplied by 8 is the expanded notation. So when you see an expression where it is written like the way I've written 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 is the expanded notation of 8 raised to the power 3. Okay, so in other words, we are saying the power can be, when the number is written in power, it tells us that you multiply the base by the number of the exponent. Okay, you multiply the base by itself by the number of the exponent. So the exponent tells us how many times we are going to multiply the base by itself. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's summarize what we have talked about using this one. Okay, so remember we are told that 3 is the index or exponent and 8 is the base. Okay, I'm just using 8 and 3 as an example. So whatever number, it can be 7 raised to the power 1, power 0. Remember, the small number on top is called index or exponent, and then the bigger number, in this case we have 8, is called the base. Now the base and the exponent, they form what is called the power. Okay, so the index or exponent together with the base, they form power. So that means power is made by a base and exponent. Okay, the base and the exponent, they form power. Okay, so that is what you need to bear in mind. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. In the next video, I'm going to look at writing numbers in index notation or exponent notation. So watch out for the next video. Otherwise, if you have questions, please, like I said earlier on, ask in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.